Jason Davenport, I've been here for about a little over a year. I work over in the finning department. I get here at 6 p.m., we go in here, we have a meeting, tell which way direction we're gonna go, and then I just go to work. I'm either in the warehouse or I'm in finning. If there's no work in finning, I'm in the warehouse. I work on the machine. We watch the tube, make sure all the fins are right and stuff, measure the tube, wash the tube, pressure test the tube, and then bend it and put it in a bale. If we don't have any jobs over in finning, I'm off in the warehouse. I'm running the crane, hydro, and just helping out where I can in the warehouse. I get along with everybody here. Everybody tries to help each other. Everybody's awesome here. I don't see people arguing. I don't see people fighting, and it's just an awesome place to work. Dennis is my boss. Dennis makes sure that I'm doing good. If there's anything I need, they can try to help me with. I've been doing awesome here. This is gonna be my career. I'm gonna try to stay here as long as I can until I retire, and that's just, for me, it's forever.